Niyabona by the clouds. Like we really had an amazing day. So my brother, please introduce yourself to my viewers. Where to go to Bani, and what do you do?
Okay, ngiyabulisa ndiyabulela ke ndiyabulisa kuba ubukele emakhaya igama lami ayana kaGiyose ndiphuma ku Sound of Azania enye yama radio khona online radio stations so ngenza isport ngenza ama sport Mondays and Fridays 6 to 8 p.m.
Okay. So Mr. How do you relate to today's tournament?
Well, kahle mina njengoba sengishilo bangenza isport ngenza ama sport ama update ama tournament enzekayo around the community and then LFA SAFA and then na rugby cricket anything that is happening around the sport around Soweto. So nalena nayo I think nayo I part of yomsebenzi wami ngwenzayo ku community nase redweni because ngiyacabanga ku community ya benefit lana yabona abantu bagcwele stadium bagcwele ground bazo supporta abantu babathandayo abantu abathandayo babo and abantu baphumile kwindawo ngendawo abagcwele kuzo kuma drugs ema tavern buka abantu bajabulela namhlanje ku Sunday.
Okay, so whether as a presenter's side as point of view, how would you say lento lena impact it adds to South Africans football history?
Okokuqala masibone yabona lama khona abo opamanyisa khona abo obani lo odlalela obedlalela uMamkhize lo Andile uyabona ukuthi labantu laba ngabantu izidar and kunabantu abafuna ukufana noOpamanyisa yabona kumnandi kanjani ukubona umdlali ubumbone TV umbona live at least ya motivate nabantu abafuna ukukhula in terms of football at least bakhona nenye intwana edlalela iKaizer Chiefs uMabaso uThulani Mabaso he's here na khona na esimbone TV nabona ukuthi intwana encane young stars ziya motivate through ukubona ama celebrate.
So what would you say to the person who hosted this whole initiative?
Mabaqhubeke man bangayeki this is so beautiful and abantu ba interested and it's very exciting actually yabona nansi yabona sathi yabona nabantu abahlangaka manje yabona nani kanje so I think they must come and benze more asifuni kuphelele laba kuphela but sifuna ukubona negospel sifuna ukubona yonke into and kube nabantu from abroad beze apha abo lot of people they must come up abo Arkeli baphume pha beze apha we need to see more people and not only football sifuna ukubona netball as well.
Okay. A few words of encouragement before we close it off.
Siyabonga ethuba nisiphe lona man and nansi siyabonga ukuthi nize apha ku community singaboni kuphela ku TikTok but siyacabanga ukuthi in future sifuna ukubona a big one kukhona ne politicians not only sport kuphela but ke siyacabanga ukuthi ke nani ngicela nikhule nibheke phambili man umuhle umsebenzi eniwenzayo siyabonga.
Thank you and thank you so much for it.